Hello and welcome back. So this video is going to be part 2 of my Coastal Scents Hot Pot swatches. This is going to be the colorful shades, and I have way more colorful ones than I do neutrals, and I will link part 1, which is the neutrals, down below. You may have seen a lot of these in my dupes videos, which I'll link that playlist also. There's a lot of these, so let's get into the swatches. All right, I'm gonna start with the pinky purples, and this is Neon Bright Pink. I really like this one a lot, and as I said in my first part of these, a lot of the mattes do not swatch well, but these all work really well on the eye. This is definitely one of my favorites. This is Cinnabar Rose. The next one is a purple, and it's called Purple. This one looks like it may be a satin, but it performs more like a matte. This one you may have seen in my ColourPop Aha Honey dupes, and this is Solar Flare. This is a metallic yellow. It's hard to tell, but it is metallic. This one you may have seen in that same video, and this is bright yellow. This is a matte yellow. This is another one of my favorites. This is a matte, and this is Python Green. It's basically like a neon lime green. It is really good. This is a metallic. This is Spring Fever, and this is what I'm wearing on my eyelids today. I'm trying to go kind of fast, but I will list all of them down below, by the way. This is Amazonian Ice. This is similar to the last one. It's a little bit different, but also metallic, and it's gorgeous. This is a really high quality matte shade. This is Fresh Chive. This is super pigmented, but again, these just, they don't swatch great, unfortunately. All right, this one is a matte. This is Olive, and it's basically a matte olive color. This is definitely another one of my favorites. This is a metallic, and this is Balsam. This one is so pretty. This is a darker olive matte, and this is called Olivewood, and this is what I'm wearing in the outer corners and crease today. Another one of my favorites, this is Sage Sensation. I know this is one of their really popular shades because I tried to get it for a while and it was always sold out. This one is gorgeous metallic. This one is really good. It's Jewel Teal, and yeah, it's a teal and it's metallic. All right, now we're getting into the blues. This one is Blue Hawaiian. I love it. It's definitely also one of my favorites. Super bright metallic blue. Also, another one of my favorites. This is Platinum Blue. This one is so metallic and gorgeous. I love it. I keep saying these are my favorites, but this is another favorite. This is Iceberg. This one is really metallic also. Then we have Cyan Frost. This one is amazing. Absolutely love it. The next two colors are matte blues, and I'll tell you they swatch horribly, but they work well on the eyes. This is Cornflower Blue. Then we have a darker and brighter blue. This is Electric Blue. All right, and then I have two reds, and then we're done. This one's Neon Red, and it's pretty bright. Again, these just don't swatch well, but this one works so well on the eyes. It's definitely pigmented, and it's pretty bright. It's brighter on the eye than it looks in the pan or the swatch. All right, last up is Baked Clay. It's similar to the last one, but it's less bright and a bit more, I don't know, a clay color, I guess. This one works really well also, but yeah, the swatch is just terrible. Alrighty, so that is it for my bright and colorful Coastal Scents Hot Pots. I really love these. They are all really good quality. I realize some of the swatches are not great, but that's just how the mattes are from Coastal Scents. They swatch pretty terribly, but most of them do work well on the eyes. So yeah, I really love this. I love my colorful palette. And yeah, if you're interested, check out part 1, the neutrals, and that's it. Thank you for watching.